bro. Pop the hood, pop the hood. Take more over here? Yeah. Ooh, that probably just saved the car. Thank you. You have anything?
Well guys, on today's episode of How F***ed Up is F***ed Up, I got subframe tearing itself apart f***ed up. Oy. Back the damage, beat stuff back straight, grind it, cut it, weld it. The guys at Fine Arc are gonna let me use their welder. Shout out to those dudes, thank you so much. I won't be doing much drifting here today, I don't think, but I better get to work because it could rain or the sun can go down and I got a lot to do. Ay, ay, ay. All right, guys, we're getting stuff done. Cricket's over here welding for me. Thank you so much, Cricket, Drift HQ, and Fine Arc back there for letting us use the welder. Wouldn't be able to get this done without you guys, and we're getting it done fairly quickly. I'm actually thinking I'm going to be able to make it back on track here today. Actually, I'm going to be able to make it on track at all. I haven't been on track yet. Fingers crossed that this works, and I make it home. Thank you.
Well done.
Yes. Thank you, thank you. I'm going to get back to work putting this back together. Look at all those cracks. All right, put it back together. All right, guys, so had to do the toe because it was, I don't know, 3/16 off or something like that, and I wanted it at 0, so we got it at 0. Finally gonna get on the track. I am in a decent amount of pain right now. Actually, my back hurts pretty good, so sorry I'm not super energetic. Kind of hurts to stand. Hopefully the Miata is more comfortable. Grass on the track. Okay, the car felt really good. Nothing crazy on transitions. It feels really solid up front. Rear tires are grippy. I'm digging it. The track layout's fun and smooth. It's not that hard to stay on track. And basically I'm gonna wait here and see if anybody else wants to come up, maybe do some tandems. Looks like maybe no one's even out here. Oh, there we go. Hi! But yeah, I wanna follow because I've only done one lap. But the car feels good though. We got a passenger in here. Shout out to her Instagram.
Camille, Cammy.explorer.
Nice. we came out here just to do nothing because someone crashed.
I'm having a great time.
It is still a Miata race car.
You ready to hear my headlight motor?
Go for it.
That's my super tuned. Warming up.
Classy. It's got that nice like new cam chop to it.
So good, so smooth. I love this little car.
When you start throwing this thing into a turn and really gassing it, it rewards you. Fire.
Oh shit!
Yeah, but I pulled the in car, so it went out. I think I lost the motor and then it caught on fire.
Yeah. Luckily I was here with the fire extinguisher.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I had pulled the in car too.
Yeah.
So, but the safety pin was in it, so I went to pull it, and I had to jump back in and pull it out.
Oh God.
Yeah, it was fun.
Woo!
All right, I'm gonna need a motor probably. Hi. Thank you. I'll be with you in a moment. Good morning, everybody. Slept at the track this morning. Old air mattress, loving it. Now I need to go out there, inspect the car, go talk to Driftweek2, see about getting some fittings, start making some lines, put fluid back in it, see if it'll start up. Fingers crossed. If it starts up and runs, I'm gonna drive it probably to a car wash and spray out the engine bay with pressure washer or something. We'll figure it out. Okay, shout out to Driftweek2. They got me hooked up on parts. 3 a.m. line, 10 a.m. line fittings. What's up, Lance? Happy Veterans Day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How you doing, buddy? Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go check those guys out. Hash Garage Services. Hey Lance, thank you for filming. We got Lance on the camera. Replacing AN lines that got burnt up. This is some of the damage here, check that out. That would have held for a short time and then probably popped again. So, found that in inspection and now we're replacing everything so it's nice and safe again. You can point it at me. What's up guys? We are bleeding the clutch, we're getting there. We got Tater on the camera. Go and turn it around and say hi, buddy. Instagram.
How you doing?
Or what's your face? You don't have Instagram, right?
No, I ain't got no Instagram.
We're gonna make you make an Instagram before this day's over and then we'll tag you at the end. Oh, hold, go ahead and hold it actually. Finally, the car is back together. And I gotta put gas in it, do a little driving around in the pits to get the oil off the tires and scrub them, and then go drifting. Fingers crossed. Stay together, please. I'm done working on you. Alright guys, that first run, actually 2 runs, went really well. I got a little bit of a spritz up on the car. I don't know if it was from the puddle or if it's from something under the hood. I'm gonna check it out right now. Probably good to go. I'm gonna go do some more passes. to get on that Instagram. What's your account?
Drifting.
You show me? There we go. He just created it. He's got 1 follower. I'll be follower number 2. Hell yeah. Thank you. Instagram, whatever you want. Well, sign your name. Just sign your name and write your Instagram under it. That way I can follow if I missed or whatever, and then I can go back and tag everybody on like a final, you know, the trip's over post. Yeah. Allie's signing the car. Thank you. Nice. I'm good with that. I'm okay with that. Freestyle that covers Allie, Mel, Drew, Mike. Boom. There it is. Thank you. They got showers here, guys. Thank goodness. And the water's hot.